Let us begin by lifting up your original seat cushion. You will want to remove the decorative panels on both sides and the protective cover beneath the headlight unit. Before taking off the turn signal housing, make sure to disconnect the wiring harness connector first. This will allow you to safely remove the entire assembly. Now we will remove the original turn signal from its housing. Keep those factory screws handy. We will be using them again later. Install the new turn signal using the original mounting screws. Make sure it sits flush with the housing for that perfect factory look. Reconnect the wiring harness until you hear that satisfying click. Then carefully reattach all the decorative panels and protective covers we removed earlier. Finally, lower your seat cushion back into position. Give everything a gentle push to ensure all components are securely in place.